Hello all, I am Dr. Pranavjit Kaldate. I am psychiatrist practicing at Curamind Clinic in Aum, Pune. Today I am here to talk about depression. Depression is some term which we use very often in our conversation. So let's try and understand it better. So what's depression? Depression is an illness and is characterized by persistent sadness and loss of interest in activities that you normally enjoy. It's accompanied by an inability to carry out daily activities, and this lasting at least for 2 weeks. Some of the common symptoms of depression are loss of interest in the things that bring joy to you, like watching movies or listening to the songs, feeling of guilt, sometimes feeling of worthlessness, helplessness or hopelessness, sometimes feeling irritable at times or fatigued, sometimes your loss of appetite, sometimes having trouble concentrating in your work or your studies, sometimes having disturbed sleep, sometimes you might have suicidal thoughts as well. If you see any of these, you need to see a mental health professional immediately. Depression is something which can affect everyone in large numbers, like children, adolescents or even elderlies. Depression can affect population from any religion residing in urban areas or even in rural areas. So what are the risk factors for depression if you ask? Everyday stressors such as social or financial stressors, loss of loved ones. If you have family history of depression or any other mental illness, you might have depression. If you are suffering from chronic illnesses, you might suffer from depression. We need to know that depression can and it should be treated, and depression is not a sign of weakness or defect in the character. It is an illness. Depression is as real as other medical conditions such as cancer and diabetes, and it should be treated. If you think you have depression, seek help from a mental health professional. What can you do if you think that you are depressed? Talk to someone you trust about your feelings. Most people feel better after talking to someone who cares about them. Remember that with the right help, you can get better. Keep up with your daily activities that you used to enjoy before when you were completely well. Stay connected, keep in contact with your family and friends. Exercise regularly, even if it's just a short walk. Stick to your regular eating and sleeping habit as much as possible. You may not be able to accomplish as much as you do usually. Keep that in mind. Avoid or restrict alcohol intake and refrain from using illicit drugs. They can worsen your depression. If you feel suicidal, contact someone for help immediately. Depression is an illness and not a character weakness. Remember that. What treatment is best and how long the depression lasts, it depends on the severity of the depression. The support of caregivers, friends and family facilitates recovery from depression. Patience is the key here, as recovery can take time. Stress can make depression worse, so watch for it. Follow up with your doctor and therapist on regular basis. Please take care of yourself. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy. Thank you.